text line, economy or health, no brainer. Health every time, says this way. And Mars from Portland says the only way this plan could work is if every private house is monitored 24/7 by police, or should I mention it, private security. Well, the latest research on what has made you a left-hander next. ABC Radio Adelaide. The police were doing random checks on people's number plates. There were 3 shoppers being captured in cars they found with police waiting for them. And hear it anywhere, anytime, via the ABC Listen app. With Wendy Glanachek. Good afternoon. The Prime Minister Scott Morrison says he's disappointed. From October the 5th, people travelling to WA from Victoria will now be able to quarantine. Hi, Kirk Penguin from an excess.
Decisions that we might arrive at over the course of the next days. I do hope that they learn something from the situation and that serves them well into the future.
There have been